Hola everyone and good morning. I am here still in Monteverde, which is a small village in the mountains of Costa Rica. And this very windy, cold, rainy morning, we are going ziplining. We're ziplining through the canopy forest of the rainforest. There's like a really crazy Tarzan swing that you do as well. So it should be exciting. It's gonna be interesting with this weather though. Let me show you outside. What's going on out here? Oh, another rainbow, wow. How pretty. Extreme winds and rain. Hola. It's a little windy. Hello. Hello. Did you think of the rope swing? Rope swing was so much fun. Actually more scary than I thought it would even be. Now we go do the rest of the course, and I think soon there's one that we do like Superman instead of sitting in. It should be pretty cool. This course is beautiful. So we just finished. It was super fun. Super windy out here though, as you can hear. We actually lucked out. The weather cleared up a ton and it was actually sunny for a lot of it. Way bigger, crazier, higher course than I've done before when I did it in California. So definitely a very cool, kind of quintessential thing, I feel like, for tourists to do in Costa Rica. So that was awesome. Now, just gonna go chill for the day. I'll see you guys next time. If you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more of my backpacking style travel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hasta luego.